Hi, this is VK5TBC. We've got a lift actuator lifting an antenna, and I'm going to show you where we got the parts from and how it all works. So this will be quite interesting. This is the toggle switch which I bought from J-Car, and it toggles one way and toggles the other, and it's off in the center, so you can actually toggle it like that and it pulls the antenna down. Depends on how you connect the battery, or you can toggle it that way, and once you release, it's off. It all runs off this 12-volt battery because I'm in a test situation at the present moment. There we are, we've got the actuator up close view. I think the actuator was around about 60 Australian dollars, and landed, and the aluminium was about not the aluminium, the stainless steel. Everything stainless steel was about $35, and I welded it with Weldall stainless steel rods. So here we go. You can see what we've done there, and this is a full time taking it down. The actuator is made of aluminium, IP65, and the stainless steel is marine grade. So there we are, it's down. Oh, I'll take it right down. Okay, that's 73s from VK5 Tango Bravo Charlie. All the best with your project.